Civil society organizations and the people continue to show their discontent on Golab checkpost incident, where security personnel directed for masking of Manipur state signers written on MST bus that were carrying a media team to Ukhrul. Continuing the protest, students today form a human chain to show their discontent on the incident. The protest was carried out under the aegis of Amuko, Poirei Marol, COHR, Amowawa and MSF. SKTV Chief News reporter Ketrimim Premchan has a special report. Let's take a look.
Following the incident at Golab, where security personnel from the Mahar regiment allegedly demanded the removal of the word Manipur from a state transport bus carrying journalists to cover the Shiroi festival inauguration, various civil society organizations have continued to voice their outrage. Today, under the leadership of Amuko, a joint demonstration including students and members of several CSOs were held in the form of a human chain protest. Speaking at the protest, Amuko General Secretary Pratap Laishangtem strongly condemned the incident, calling it unacceptable.
Manipur thaba yaroyena lauthokpagi matangdudagi ngasi Manipurda asugi matik prajasing khoirang khoisauna boloina ngasi ihau kya ama sangsilai masidasu akoi amuko ga saminariba lupsing amuko kohor poire lemro maira paibi amoba MSF hariba lup manga sina ngasi Manipur gi mafam khudimukda satlakanda akoi nahandagi hongna akoi himen chen semba duga maira gi le lungdangda chatna akoi district khudimakta makhatana sathagi gani akoi sangju sangjangi gani akanba khongjang maramdi kaingloda Manipur da ngasi India government na divide and rule mayama policy ma sanarakanda amaga khanana bagi demak sanara iba mayamse akoi loinabak mayamse loi khangamni adu karamba khongjang sanga karam maina praja mayamse ga satmina gadagi haibdune akoi hujik mayam praja singa thukminarakanda wari sanarakanda karamba mongda sangjalakanda India government thengnagadagi haibdune aduna ngasi se Manipur da laiba praja sing tangdu laita da phiroma hojik laide ibisi matangda baro sarkar ga khoi sabjana thengnana bagi akoi phirep tu logjabani ramaduna akoi na praja sing ga loinana akoi na ngasi akoi himen chen semba awaba kya adi satra satri myam akoi loinana satleise akoi wakhalon da akoi kari tawgadage akoi laibak si kanana ba akoi amuko ga saminrbe lu manga sin akoi thawai thadosu ima laibak ki hojik laiba Manipur muthatpa yaroese mamangda amuko ga saminrbe lupsingna mamangi rele singiba matamda akoi Manipur muthatpa yaroese akoi gi the yaw leramni masi makoi amukogi saminarbe lupsingna hana koi Manipur muthalakpa yai habese ugidana mamangdu dagi akoi di hana preparation tawjaraga praja sing award oinaba praja ga khaminaba gi salimna ngasi su akoi Manipur muthalpa yaroi je akoi sorgan gi mamangda yawraga leiba pot amaneba aduna haina tawringi tanja sida Manipur muthatnaba gi asoba lang ama haidare ngasi Indian army sing da akoi saubam di thokte maramdi makoi na ngam banate Manipur muthalu kai base Army ki colonel amana brigadier amana ngamna teba si awang ba thak gi lautuna ba ma yawe habisi masi Manipur prajana loi khangaba wane ba akoi ne hekta sifai amana tawrome ne hekta sifai du tainabi ba masi akoi nataba injal laiba potu kanano habisi ma akoi khangba tai hoji laiba governor aduga secretary advisor chief secretary haiba makoi singa se maroi ba sing se makoi sing se sabsaba akoi Manipur myamna parama tabibam thoi aduna makoi se yam atuba matam da moi se masagi fam thado kanda akoi ge India government gi mafam da makoi sangjara kanda akoi mafam sida akoi si tawre akoi soigre haba dum fana ulla kanda Manipur praja mayam da madugi asoiba do baro sarkar na madu khangal taragadi Manipur praja ji indana tapthana lebi ani natri bogdi noma gi kankhalaktana hanam chama mai du dagi hena sakhalaktana Manipur da tangdu leita da phibam ma chauna mayong rakpa yai haba se baro sarkar na masi sabsana khangbagi matam madu yore.
Manipur MSF President Roshan Hizam, who also took part in the agitation, stated that such actions reflect the Indian government's ongoing policy of divide and rule among Manipur's communities. He condemned the incident in the strongest possible terms.
Matam sangadagi koigi Manipur asibu muthatnaba thoksilama tawrakliba si noma gi hena mayek singakpa haibadi Shiroi lili pangthokpham da koigi function ladubu coverage tongnaba chatpa matamda Manipur lengaki bus haiba tare maduda thariba Manipur haibadu lauthokadawni haibase central force na chi thamlakpa si akoi khange madudi akoi gi Manipur se Manipur muthanaba thorang le haibasi mayek sing taklabani masida akoi miyam gi amadi mahiroi gi kholaw ma akoi thamina mathau tarakpaduni masiguma thong asi yamna condemn tawba masiguma thong asina kunai asigi iramda masigi hingminariba puru khudimaktasu India langangna matam punamakta singjep thaduna amaga nungsinadana silliba tanja asida mu Manipur pumal muthanaba silakpa se aikoi mahiroi khudimangna masi yaba ngamloi